Pirates, I'm Kim Hoffmans, President of Ventura College, and I am really excited to welcome you to our beautiful campus. Whether you are a new Pirate or you've been here a while, we have put many measures in place to help keep you safe, such as screening and wearing wristbands. I am really excited to have you back on campus, and I look forward to seeing you soon.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Kalfsbeck-Getz, the Vice President of Academic Affairs at Ventura College. This year we will have classes that meet 100% in person. We'll have some hybrid classes that meet a bit in person and a bit online. And we will also have several classes that are 100% online to meet our students where they're at. We will also be making adjustments throughout the semester to add more sections of any of those types, in person, hybrid, or online, as we see what our students want. It's all about the students this year, and we're looking forward to seeing everyone.
Hi, I'm Kathy Bojorquez, Vice President of Business and Administrative Services here at Ventura College. We want to welcome you back to a safe return to campus. All of our buildings are Cal/OSHA and CDC guideline compliant, and we are busy getting them ready for your return. We're also going to have increased cleaning schedules for our restrooms and common areas. We're looking forward to your return. Welcome back to campus.
Hey Ventura College students, my name is Enrique Rodriguez. I'm a health screener here at Ventura College. So some tips that I have to make the screening process a lot easier is one, first download the app. The app is called MyVCCCD. It's available on the App Store, on the Play Store as well. And once you download the app, I recommend you signing in with your portal information, then doing the daily screening form every day if you're coming to campus. You should get a yellow or green or a blue pass. Once you have that pass, you can go to one of the locations on our campus, show us the pass, and we'll give you a cutter wristband. We'll be having 3 on-site locations for screening. One of them will be a drive-through located at the East Lot off of Day Road and Telegraph. The other 2 will be walk-ups, one of them located at the Applied Science Center, and the other one located at the Athletic Event Center. If you don't have the ability to download the app or you don't have your smartphone with you, we also have Chromebooks where we can check you in manually. So please go to one of the screening sites on our campus. For the screening purposes, we recommend that you come to campus a little bit earlier before your classes in order to give us enough time to check you in. So if you have the app on your phone, once you enter the buildings, look for the QR codes located at the doors, and that QR code will let us know what building you entered, just in case we need to do contact tracing.
This is Mary Jones. I'm the coordinator of the Student Health Center at Ventura College. I'm also a nurse practitioner, so I have been in the process of working with students who have been affected by COVID-19 from the very beginning. If you check symptomatic or that you've been exposed, you can expect a phone call from either myself or Adriana Parsons, the nurse here at the center. If you push a button by mistake, don't feel bad. We'll still call you and then we can correct it for you. But what is most important in everything that you do is that you continue to wear your mask indoors. For those of you who have been vaccinated, we still are requiring you to wear the mask for the safety of yourself as well as the others. For those of you with a medical exemption, you will be speaking with me or Adriana Parsons to verify that you are medically exempt. But always think of the greater good of everybody around you. So if you're on the fence, be vaccinated.
Just like the rest of you, I'm excited to be back here on campus. Let's follow the rules so we can stay safe.
My name is Dr. Damian Peña. I'm your Vice President for Student Affairs here on campus. Per letting you know that we have all of our Pirate student services available for you where you're at. So that means that if you want to come onto campus and have an in-person appointment, make sure you go through the screening, you get one of your wristbands, and you show that to the person at the door to allow you the opportunity to meet with somebody in person on our campus. Meeting you where you're at means that we're also providing virtual and online appointments for all of your student services needs. We want to make sure that we provide everything for you that you'll need in order to be successful on your journey here at Ventura College.
Welcome back to campus.